my name is Almi. I'm an online English teacher. I'm from the States, but I have German and West African roots. I speak German and French fluently. I also speak Italian, and that's because I currently live in Italy. I speak a little Italian, correction. I'm not fluent in Italian. I have been teaching English mostly in Italy for the past 3 years, online and offline, and I absolutely love it. I love teaching because I'm really passionate about education and I'm really passionate about communication in general. And if you want to learn how to speak English more confidently, or you want to learn how to speak English more accurately, then my lessons are perfect for you. I offer general English lessons where we work our way up to the next level step by step. So if you are a beginner, then we will work our way up to an intermediate level. I also offer business English lessons, and that's because prior to my career in teaching, I worked in banking and finance, so I have a very good understanding of business terminology. And finally, if you need to take the TOEFL or the IELTS exam, I also offer exam preparation. You don't need to buy any materials. I will send you homework electronically. You have access to all the lessons, and basically you don't need to buy anything, okay? So I will provide all the materials to you. The lessons are very student-centered, which means that they are all about you. I'm really just here to help you use the language accurately. I provide you with feedback on the usage of the language, and I'm here to support you. I want you to make a lot of mistakes. Most importantly, I want you to become more confident. And if you succeed, then I succeed, and it's a win-win situation for everyone. I'm sorry if I'm speaking really fast. If you have any questions, please write me a message. I'm here to help you, and I thank you for watching, and I hope that I get to meet you. Have a nice day. Thanks. Bye.